How to fix Instagram black screen easily and fast. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram black screen in less than 1 minute. It's actually very easy, so all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone. As you can see right here, this is the settings page on your phone. So all what you have to do is just go to the apps manager on your phone and then go to the apps. Now on this page right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. After you click on Instagram, it will take you to this page. This page, it's the app informations page. All what you have to do here is very simple. There's two ways to fix this problem. Just click here on force stop and then restart your phone and reopen Instagram. That's the first way. The second way is you have to uninstall Instagram app and reinstall it again back from the Play Store. That's it guys, it's very easy actually. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.